This user guide will show you how to manage a pipeline on the Lumina Applicants Tracker. First, visit www.lunalearning.com in order to log into our system. Press the Login button in the top right-hand corner. Then use your Lumina account details to sign in to Lumina Online. Now navigate to Lumina Services on the left-hand menu. Then enter the Applicants Tracker area. Select the position where you would like to change the pipeline. You are now on the Positions dashboard. Click on the Manage Pipeline tab. If you want to edit a pipeline, select one from the drop-down menu. If you want to create a new pipeline, select one of the default pipelines and click on the Copy Pipeline button. You will then be asked to name this new pipeline. Once you have named the new pipeline, click Save and you will then be able to edit the default pipeline to create your new one. The editing tools available to you are as follows: hiding a stage, deleting a stage, editing the name of a stage, and finally changing the color of a stage. Thank you for listening to this user guide on managing a pipeline on the Lumina Applicant Tracker. We hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to contact support@luminalearning.com if you have any further queries.